Hi, I'm Kyle Derstler, owner and CEO of Zen Windows. This is part of our FAQ series. So Zen, you're getting two different warranties. Material and labor. That's what the double limited lifetime is encompassing. You're getting the material warranty from the great manufacturers that we partner with. They stand behind their product. They've been in this business long enough. They know how to make something that lasts. The labor side is provided by Zen. That way, if there ever is a product problem, or there is an accident and there's window breakage or something of that nature, we are there to back up and provide labor free of charge to make the window whole again. If you have a child throw a baseball through a window, that's life. It happens, and you paid for this to be handled for life. We're not going to charge you for that glass replacement. We're not going to charge you for the labor to install that glass replacement, because when you sign up with us, you should be done with window problems for life. That is why we are the premium experience. I would say another important part about the warranty is, when you do have those issues, which do happen, as much as we'd all love to say that, nothing bad ever happens to a window, after the fact, we all know that's not true. Accidents happen, product problems could happen. So what can you expect when there's an issue like that? What you can expect from Zen is that we will own the process. We will have people that we have close relationships with, our people, out on site, helping repair, replace, fix, anything that we need to do to make your window whole, make the operation whole, is what we will handle. So once you buy from us, you're covered for life. That is something we are very, very passionate about, and something we thoroughly handle, because again, you are trusting us with a very, very large purchase decision in your life. So when we tell you that we're going to take care of you, we mean it. So we'll do everything that we have to make sure that your problem is handled and you can move on with your life. I think another important aspect is the fact that it's a fully transferable warranty as well. A lot of people are like, well, how does that help me, right? Like, what is the impact of that? Well, as we all know in life, unexpected things happen. You may have no plans to move now or in the near future, but we don't know what 10 years from now holds. So if you ever were to leave, if you ever were to move, if you ever were to relocate, the fact that the warranty is fully transferable to whomever you sell it to is a huge, huge benefit, not only to you as the person selling the home, but also to obviously the person buying and moving into the home. They are now also covered by the Zen umbrella, meaning our warranty, the manufacturer warranty. So you could have zero problems in 10 years, and they could have zero problems in 10 years after that. But if they ever did have one, we would be there to take care of it. Why that matters to you is when you're selling the home, that can be a really good benefit to point out to that buyer, because they don't want to move into a home that they automatically have to remodel or worry about expensive replacement cost. Windows are a big project. If you have replaced windows with us and you can point to them and be like, hey, these are warranted for life, the warranty is transferable to you, you can take that concern and just completely take it off the table for them, because they know they're covered. They know that they're going to have a company that has their back, and they know that they will not have to worry about any window problems or repairs in their future either. At Zen Windows, we take great pride at fulfilling our warranty issues ourselves. When you have an issue, if I wanted to wherever to arise, all you have to do is reach out to us with the contact information we provide after your initial install. Let us know what issue you're having. We're going to ask a few more details, maybe get some product info, what you're experiencing. But once you have given us some basic level info of what's going on, you can rest assured that we are on it. And you don't have to worry about who's coming to your home. It will be a fully vetted Zen Windows service tech that understands what is needed from the situation and how to fix it. Okay. With Zen, we're fully transparent with our warranties. It's crucial that you understand what you're getting. So once the job is complete and you're extremely happy with the end product, we will be sending over certifications and information on what the warranty covers, as well as our contact info to make sure that you have everything you need for if there's ever a problem in the future to get in contact with us so we can handle your problem.